What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm down here in Virginia. We're checking out the garden area right now. We went ahead, we winterized the strawberries last season. We went ahead and added leaves to the top of the cinder block raised garden bed. So I'll quick show you guys how everything's looking. So this is the bed we went ahead and winterized. We added the leaves. Everything's breaking down. These guys are starting to really, pop out. Right here, we removed the mother plant and moved that into the other bin that we just started. We did add and move around a few of the smaller runners, so hopefully they can take root this season. So here's the other bin. We planted out a bunch of runners. Got it mulched. And then there was that mother plant. So hopefully that should take root this year and hopefully produce pretty well. These guys are probably going to take a full season to actually start producing, a decent amount of berries. But like I said, when these were purchased, it was $10 for 4 plants. And this is going on its 3rd season. So this was definitely probably one of the best things that's ever been purchased for the garden so far. And then there's the cinder block raised garden bed. Last season we got from Tractor Supply the cattle panel. So we have a nice archway to hopefully grow some good cucumbers and other vining plants. He did have some beans started, so we're going to get them planted out. This is a nice cattle panel here. So those tendrils can grab it and climb right up. We added a layer of leaves to the top. So here's the leaves that we added to the top of the raised garden bed. Some areas were a little thicker. So all we'll do is pull that back. You can see how nice the soil is. Plant directly into the soil and then mulch back with the leaves. And then some other areas, whether it broke down a little bit more. So we have a few things to plan out this weekend. And then I have some starts that a friend gave me from her winter sowing, spinach and broccoli. And then we're going to actually direct sow some seeds, some lettuce, some kale. So then they'll be good to go for the start of the season. I'll be sure to take a few pictures and add them in later on so you guys can see the progression of this raised bed. As of right now, April 2nd, nothing's in it. So here was a quick video just showing you what we have going on right now. Basically, this raised garden bed is a blank canvas, and we're going to start planting it out this weekend. So hopefully my brother and his wife can get some great vegetables for them and my niece. Thanks for coming along, everybody. Have a great day. Tucker, get out of there. Come here. Get out of there. Hey, oh, you son of a gun. Good old Tucker. I love you too, but let me finish. Let me regain my train of thought here.